The 2010 Nissan GTR by Koenigseder. It takes a very secure car to roll around in an orange paint finish and not look completely outlandish and ridiculous. It takes power, style, and attitude to pull something like that off. Thankfully, for this Nissan GTR, the Austrian tuners Koenigseder knew which car to pick. This Nissan GTR wears this extravagant color quite well, and now it has everything it needs to pull it off. Koenigseder began their tuning program with the Nissan and threw in a body kit consisting of a front spoiler, side skirts, and a rear bumper with an integrated diffuser. A KW suspension was then added and the package was finished off with 21 inches black wheels and Yokohama Advan tires. Some EQ remapping, a new air filter, and a Titanium Akrapovic exhaust system brings this Godzilla up to 580 horsepower. This allows the Nissan GTR to get to 124 miles per hour in just 9.8 seconds. Pricing for this package has not been released, but unless it's absolutely and ridiculously overpriced, we think this program is well worth the money it will take to turn your car into a sexy beast.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.